cut number 2 on the new mill. Hit something. Yay. Well, wouldn't you know it? Start recording, and I hit a bunch of nails, metal. Check it out. Looks like maybe a couple staples and a nail I just dug out. I would say hopefully that's all of it, but when you look at this thing and the fact that it was the base of the tree, obviously it's got center rot, but this outside sections are what's going to have tons of cool character to make tables and such out of. And I think this was right in his front yard. This thing's probably full of nails and staples and crap. I only have 10 blades. This log is gonna be expensive. This blade's shot. After I hit that metal, it just wanted to keep crawling up. As you can see, that first cut was awesome, nice and smooth and flat. Start recording. This is what happens. Okay, on to blade number 3. Got 3 passes out of this one. You can see how wavy it ended up because it was doing great. I had pretty much a fresh blade up until right there is another chunk of metal. Sometimes I wonder why I do this. For the extra cool wood, of course, but those pieces right over there, it's a couple chunks there. That, which is not a lot to work with, and then this one maybe do something with. But 1, 2, 3 cuts, hit more metal, some little nails right down here, right down in the base. What are they even doing down in there? And then here's the last one. Sometimes they're kind of hard to find. But you gotta dig around them and see if you can get it out. There we are. Another nail. kids building tree houses. I was a kid once. I know our cedar tree out front is riddled with nails. Just be wary. Any other people wanting to do milling, you're going to burn through blades if you do trees from yard trees, or fence row trees will have fence stuck in them, or power line trees. I've got one at home, a cedar log like this, that had a power line running through it, and it grew around a ceramic insulator. Imagine hitting a ceramic insulator. You're not going anywhere. All right, getting down to it here on this nice base chunk of cedar. Got some really cool figuring in it, as you can see in this last cut. It's cruising along, and then snip. You can see by the rough cut right where that first one was, and then I heard another little noise with this one. It's just when you're powering through and then you hear nip just for a second, you know that you just got screwed by a stupid nail. But look at that. I mean, worth it with the compression ripples, would you say? Yeah, sure. Bark inclusions. Look at that spot. That's kind of wild. Bark inclusions, compression ripples, and just all around cool character going on, even in the end piece. And well, 6 or 7 blades later, I think I'm finally getting familiar with it. If it's not nails, it's using too much dang coolant or lubricant for the blade. Made my blade pop off a couple times, so that sucked. I was using diesel because I heard with pine, diesel keeps your blade clean and keeps the sap and pitch off your blade. But I was running it too heavy and popped 2 blades off and ruined them. Expensive learning curve on these things. But finally making some decent structural beams.